If you're experiencing FPS drops in Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to boost your game's frame rate. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the options menu, then select video settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and set the graphics to fast to reduce the load on your system. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. If you have enough RAM available, you can allocate more to Minecraft. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and under More Options, increase the JVM arguments to allocate more memory, XMX12G for 2GB. Step 3. Install performance mods. Consider installing performance-enhancing mods like Optifine. This mod allows for more customization of video settings and can significantly improve FPS by optimizing how the game runs. Step 4. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 5. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing Minecraft to run more smoothly. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Minecraft FPS. Enjoy your gaming experience.